All right, so if you're a developer um, like me, you've probably heard all the buzz about AI and crypto kind of colliding
Yeah,
and, building at that intersection. That's where the magic happens.
for sure.
So we're diving deep today into Eliza.
Okay.
It's an open source framework that's really turning heads,
Yeah.
especially in the world of decentralized finance.
Yeah, it's fascinating how Eliza is empowering developers to build like these autonomous AI agents.
Right.
Think trading bots, think Discord moderators, even AI characters for games. And we're going to connect this to a real-world application called A16z,
Yeah.
which is an AI-driven DAO making waves in the crypto market, specifically with meme coins.
Yeah, I was reading about I16z and like this AI Mark Andreessen leading the chart. It's kind of wild, right?
Yeah, it is pretty wild.
So by the end of this deep dive, I'm hoping you'll grasp how Eliza works, but also how I16 is actually using it.
Absolutely.
And most importantly, we'll explore how you as a developer can actually build within this space.
Exactly. Let's start with a problem many developers face. How do you create an AI that not only understands data, but actually acts on it intelligently? Eliza tackles this head on.
Yeah.
It's built on TypeScript, which is familiar to a lot of developers.
Right.
And its open source nature means you can tinker under the hood.
Okay, that's a great starting point.
Yeah.
But what makes Eliza stand out from other AI frameworks?
Sure.
Why should a developer choose this for their project?
Eliza has this really cool character system.
Okay.
You can define the personality and knowledge base of your AI agent through JSON files, and this gives it a unique identity.
Interesting.
This means your AI can interact in ways that feel more human and adaptable to different tasks.
So it's not just about spitting out data, it's about giving the AI some character.
Exactly.
That's pretty clever.
Hmm.
But I'm also a bit of a pragmatist. Can you give me like a concrete example of how this character system actually translates into a real-world application?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Imagine you're building a Discord bot with Eliza. You can define its personality to be helpful and informative, which makes it a valuable resource for your community.
Right.
Or if you're building a trading bot, you might give it a risk-averse personality, influencing its decision-making process in the market.
Okay, I'm starting to see how this could be really powerful for developers.
Yeah.
You're giving them a framework to build AI that feels much more nuanced and intentional.
Exactly.
But building anything from scratch is tough. So what kind of support does Eliza offer developers who are just starting out?
Eliza has excellent documentation, and it's designed to be modular.
Okay.
You can customize its actions clients, providers, and evaluators. This gives you a lot of control over its functionality, and to top it off, it integrates smoothly with popular platforms like Discord, Twitter, and Telegram.
So if I want my AI to tweet like market insights, I don't have to build that functionality from the ground up.
Yep.
That's a huge time saver.
Exactly.
But let's shift gears a bit. You mentioned A16s and how they're using Eliza. What's the connection there?
Yeah, so the developers of Eliza created I16z's to demonstrate the framework's capabilities.
Yeah.
Specifically within the realm of decentralized finance, think of it as Eliza in action.
Okay.
It uses AI to make trading decisions, primarily focusing on meme coins.
Meme coins. That's a space that moves fast and can be really unpredictable.
Yeah.
So how does I16's MAL powered by Eliza actually handle the complexity of trading in such a volatile market?
I16z's leverages Eliza's ability to analyze on-chain data.
Okay.
It understands market trends and executes trades based on these predefined parameters.
Okay.
And it's also built on the Solana blockchain,
Okay.
which is known for its speed and low transaction fees, making it ideal for high-frequency trading.
So Eliza gives I16z's the speed and the analytical capabilities needed to kind of play in the meme coin arena.
Exactly.
But tell me more about this AI Mark Andreessen.
Okay.
Is he just a figurehead, or does this AI persona actually play like a functional role?
AI Mark Andreessen is a core part of I16z's narrative. It embodies the fund's vision of being an AI-powered entity. Now, it's not making like every single decision,
Right.
but it's a representation of how AI can be a driving force in the future of finance.
That's an interesting distinction. So this AI persona is helping us visualize a future where AI is more integrated into decision-making.
Right.
But there's still human oversight and strategy involved?
Yeah.
It's not a complete takeover yet.
Right. And this is where the concept of a marketplace of trust comes in.
Okay.
I16's aims to be a platform where different AI agents developed by the community can showcase their trading strategies and earn trust based on their performance.
Hold on. A marketplace where different AI agents compete and earn trust.
Exactly.
That sounds like it could be a game changer.
Yeah.
Tell me more about how that works and what it means for developers.
Imagine a space where you as a developer can build your own AI trading agent using Eliza.
Yeah.
Deploy it to the i16's marketplace and let it compete. The better your agent performs, the more trust it earns, potentially attracting users who might subscribe to its services.
Okay, now we're talking about real opportunities for developers. This goes way beyond building a simple bot. It's about creating AI agents that can potentially generate revenue and disrupt these traditional financial models.
Yeah.
But how does this marketplace of trust ensure fairness and prevent manipulation?
That's where i16z's trust engine comes in.
Okay.
It analyzes a ton of data, on-chain activity agent performance, historical recommendations, all to generate a trust score for each agent. Think of it like a credit score for AI. The higher the score, the more trustworthy the agent.
So if my AI agent is consistently making good trades, minimizing risk, and kind of behaving as expected, its trust score goes up.
Yeah.
Which makes it more appealing to potential users.
Exactly.
Makes sense. But what specific data points does the trust engine actually analyze?
Sure.
Give me some examples.
It looks at things like the agent's trading history, the accuracy of its predictions, how it handles risk, and whether it's adhered to its predefined parameters. It even considers qualitative feedback from the community.
Wow.
The goal is to paint a comprehensive picture of the agent's trustworthiness.
It's almost like a multi-dimensional assessment of the AI agent. It's not just about profits, it's about responsible behavior and alignment with community values.
Yeah.
I like that, but how transparent is this process? Can developers see how their agent is being evaluated?
Absolutely. Transparency is a core principle of i16's.
Okay.
The trust engine's methodology is open, and developers can see the factors influencing their agent's score.
Okay.
This allows them to make adjustments, improve their agent's behavior, and ultimately build trust within the marketplace.
Okay. I'm starting to see how all the pieces fit together. Eliza provides the tools, i16z's provides the platform, the trust engine ensures fairness, and the community drives the direction.
Yeah.
It's a pretty impressive ecosystem for developers who want to build with AI and crypto. But for those who are just starting out, what would you say is the most important thing to focus on?
I'd say start with a clear understanding of what you want to build. What problem are you solving?
Okay.
What value are you bringing to the i16's ecosystem? Once you have a solid concept, Eliza provides the framework, the documentation, and a supportive community to help you bring your vision to life.
Solid advice. So don't get lost in the technical weeds right away. Start with a clear vision.
Exactly.
Leverage Eliza's resources and tap into the i16's community for guidance.
Exactly. And this is just scratching the surface. We'll delve deeper into the technical details of building on Eliza and explore the intricacies of i16's trust engine in the next part of our deep dive. Stay tuned.
Welcome back. So now that we've kind of set the stage,
Yeah.
let's delve deeper into the technical side of things.
Right.
As developers, we want to know how to actually build on top of Eliza, right?
You read my mind. We talked about Eliza's modular design and its integration with different platforms. But what about the nuts and bolts of actually creating a trading system using this framework?
Let's break it down.
Eliza offers this robust, autonomous trading system built specifically for the Solana blockchain.
Okay.
This choice is interesting because Solana is known for its speed and low transaction fees.
Right.
Perfect for the fast-paced world of crypto trading, especially meme coins.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
But how does a developer actually interact with the Solana blockchain within Eliza? Do you have to be a blockchain expert to kind of get started?
Not at all. Eliza simplifies this process. It utilizes a platform called Jupiter for executing trades. Jupiter is a powerful aggregator that finds the best routes for swapping tokens on Solana.
Okay.
So as a developer, you're not writing complex blockchain interactions from scratch. Eliza handles that heavy lifting, letting you focus on your trading logic.
Okay, that's a relief.
Oh,
So Eliza connects to Jupiter, which then interacts with the Solana blockchain.
Exactly.
Gotcha. But what about managing orders, determining position sizes, all the other details that go into a trading system?
Eliza's got you covered there, too.
All right.
It includes an order book system. Think of it like a digital ledger, tracking buy and sell orders. And for determining position sizes, it provides algorithms that factor in risk tolerance.
Okay.
So you can define how much risk your AI agent is allowed to take, ensuring things don't get out of hand.
Right. Risk management is crucial, especially in the volatile crypto market.
For sure.
But what about those unforeseen circumstances? Those
Yeah.
black swan events that can kind of throw everything off. How does Eliza handle those?
That's where Eliza's risk management features really shine.
Okay.
It includes token validation, which ensures your agent is trading the correct tokens and avoids costly mistakes.
Right.
Plus, there's continuous trade monitoring, so you can track what's happening and identify any anomalies in real time.
So Eliza provides not just the trading infrastructure, but also like the safety nets
Right.
to protect against the inherent risks of the crypto market. That's pretty impressive.
Thanks.
But let's talk about intelligence. We've covered the trading mechanics,
Yeah.
but what about market analysis? How does Eliza help an AI agent understand the market and make informed decisions?
Good question. Eliza incorporates market analysis directly into its framework.
Okay.
Your AI agent can gather price data, analyze historical trends, and even use technical indicators to identify potential opportunities. It's like having a built-in research team constantly crunching numbers and providing insights to your agent.
Wow, that's taking automation to a whole new level.
Right?
So a developer can essentially create an AI agent that not only trades, but learns and adapts to market conditions.
Exactly.
That's powerful. But I'm also thinking about the human side of things.
Yeah.
What role does the community play in this ecosystem, especially with i16z's marketplace of trust?
The community is vital to i16z's success. Remember, i16z is a DAO, which means it's governed by the community.
Right.
Token holders have a say in the direction of the project, and the marketplace itself thrives on community participation.
Okay, so community feedback and involvement kind of help shape the direction of i16.
Absolutely.
But how does that feedback actually translate into tangible improvements within the platform, especially for developers?
Think of it as an open feedback loop. Okay.
Developers building on Eliza can gather insights from the community, adjust their AI agent strategies based on feedback, and continuously improve their offerings. It's a collaborative process where everyone benefits.
That's a cool model for developing AI. It's not just about building in isolation, it's about collaborating, adapting, and evolving based on community input.
Exactly.
Now, we've talked a lot about i16z's trust engine, but I'm still a bit fuzzy on the details.
Yeah.
How exactly does it work?
The trust engine is like a reputation system for AI agents in the marketplace.
Okay.
It continuously analyzes various factors, including on-chain data, to assign a trust score to each agent. Think of it like a credit score for AI.
Okay.
The higher the score, the more trustworthy the agent.
So if my AI agent is consistently making good trades, minimizing risk, and behaving as expected, its trust score goes up.
Right.
Which makes it more appealing to potential users.
Exactly.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
But what specific data points does the trust engine actually analyze?
Okay.
Give me some examples. It looks at things like the agent's trading history,
Okay.
the accuracy of its predictions, how it handles risk, and whether it's adhered to its predefined parameters. It even considers qualitative feedback from the community.
Wow.
The goal is to paint a comprehensive picture of the agent's trustworthiness.
It's almost like a multi-dimensional assessment of the AI agent. It's not just about profits. It's about responsible behavior and alignment with community values.
I like that. But how transparent is this process? Can developers see how their agent is being evaluated?
Absolutely. Transparency is a core principle of i16 Gainers.
Okay.
The trust engine's methodology is open, and developers can see the factors influencing their agent's score.
Okay.
This allows them to make adjustments, improve their agent's behavior, and ultimately build trust within the marketplace. Okay. I'm starting to see how all the pieces kind of fit together. Eliza provides the tools, i16z provides the platform, the trust engine ensures fairness, and the community drives the direction. It's a pretty impressive ecosystem for developers who want to build with AI and crypto, but for those who are just starting out, what would you say is the most important thing to focus on?
I'd say start with a clear understanding of what you want to build.
Okay.
What problem are you solving? What value are you bringing to the i16z's ecosystem? Once you have a solid concept, Eliza provides the framework, the documentation, and a supportive community to help you bring your vision to life.
Solid advice. So don't get lost in the technical weeds right away.
Right.
Start with a clear vision, leverage Eliza's resources, and tap into the i16's community for guidance.
Exactly. And remember, building with AI and crypto is an iterative process experiment. Learn, adapt, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries of what's possible.
Okay, so we've unpacked a lot. Eliza's core features, i16's unique approach, and even how that trust engine works.
Yeah, a lot of info.
But I want to circle back to something you mentioned earlier, the idea that anyone could potentially build within this ecosystem for someone with limited experience in AI or blockchain. Where's a good place to start?
That's where Eliza's open source nature and that supportive i16z community are invaluable. Eliza's documentation is a great starting point.
Okay.
It walks you through the basics, explains key concepts, and even provides code examples.
Okay, so the documentation provides a solid foundation. But what about the community aspect? How can developers connect with others, get help, and learn from, more experienced builders in this space?
The i16z's Discord server is a hub of activity. It's where developers, traders, and community members come together to discuss ideas, share insights, and kind of help each other out there. Our dedicated channels for technical support, brainstorming, and even showcasing your projects.
So even if you're not a blockchain guru or an AI expert, you can still jump in, ask questions, and learn from others. It sounds like a pretty welcoming environment.
It is.
But I'm curious, beyond like the technical support, what other benefits does that i16z's community offer developers?
The community is a great source of inspiration. You can see what others are building, get ideas for your own projects, and even find potential collaborators.
Right.
And remember, i16z has a creator fund specifically designed to support developers building within the ecosystem.
Oh, right. We touched on that earlier. So there's not only technical support, but also potential funding opportunities.
Yeah.
For developers who have like promising ideas, but what kind of projects are they looking for? Any specific examples?
They're pretty open to innovative ideas. It could be a tool that enhances the trust engine, a new type of AI agent with unique capabilities, or even an educational platform that helps onboard new developers to the i16z ecosystem.
Wow, the possibilities are pretty broad.
Yeah.
So it's not just about building trading bots, it's about expanding the entire ecosystem, making it more robust, accessible, and valuable for everyone.
Exactly, and that's what makes this space so exciting. It's still early days, and there's so much room for innovation developers have the chance to really shape the future of decentralized AI and finance.
That's a pretty compelling invitation. So for any developers listening who are feeling that spark of inspiration, what's the best way to take that first step and start building?
I'd say start by exploring. Dive into Eliza's documentation. Join the i16z Discord server and immerse yourself in the community. See what others are building, get a feel for the tools and resources available, and let your imagination kind of run wild.
Great advice. Start with exploration, then let your curiosity guide you now. Before we wrap up, any parting thoughts or insights for developers who are excited about this convergence of AI and crypto?
I'd say don't underestimate the power of collaboration. The beauty of open source and decentralized communities is that you don't have to build everything from scratch, leverage existing tools, learn from others, and contribute your unique skills to create something truly groundbreaking.
That's a great takeaway. Collaborate, experiment, push the boundaries. And for our listeners, as you explore Eliza and the i16z's ecosystem, we leave you with this. What innovative applications can you envision at this intersection of AI and cryptocurrency? What will you create? Keep diving deep, and maybe we'll feature your project on a future deep dive.